Have you ever wondered how to make money online using AI? Well, you're not alone. As we step further into the digital age, the boundaries of what's possible continue to expand, and sitting right at the forefront of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, when we say AI, we're not talking about robots taking over the world. Instead, we're referring to sophisticated software that can learn, adapt, and perform tasks traditionally requiring human intelligence. These tasks range from understanding speech, recognizing patterns, interpreting complex data, to even making art. But the million-dollar question is, how can you leverage this technology to generate income online? The answer lies in the vast and varied applications of AI. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or a strategic thinker, there's an AI-powered opportunity out there for you, from using AI to create user-generated content, offering photo editing services, managing social media, editing podcasts, and even running your own YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? These aren't pie-in-the-sky dreams. They're real, tangible opportunities that people just like you are capitalizing on right now. AI can help you work smarter, not harder. For instance, AI can edit videos, streamlining the process and freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business, or perhaps you're a budding photographer. AI can enhance your photos, helping you create stunning visuals that attract more clients. But AI isn't just for creatives. With the rise of social media, businesses are in dire need of savvy social media managers. And guess what? AI can help you there too, analyzing trends and optimizing posts for maximum engagement. And let's not forget about the power of the podcast. With AI, you can edit and refine your audio content to create high-quality podcasts that attract a loyal following. Then, of course, there's YouTube. With billions of users worldwide, the potential for monetization is enormous. And with AI, you can create, edit, and optimize your content to reach a wider audience and boost your earnings. Today, we're going to explore some of the most effective ways to turn AI technology into your personal cash machine. So buckle up, it's going to be an exciting journey. Ever thought about creating user-generated content with AI-edited videos? Let's dive into how this can become a reality. User-generated content, or UGC, is content created by individuals rather than brands. It's authentic, relatable, and increasingly popular in the digital world. Now imagine enhancing the quality of this content with the power of artificial intelligence. AI tools can help edit videos, improving their quality and appeal, all while saving you valuable time and effort. These AI tools can handle tasks like color correction, sound enhancement, and even scene transition with ease. They can learn from feedback and get better over time, providing a level of personalization that's hard to achieve manually. By leveraging AI for video editing, you can create high-quality UGC that stands out and attracts viewers. With this, you can potentially earn around $56 per hour. That's right, $56. With AI, video editing has never been easier and more profitable. How about enhancing photos with AI? Imagine the possibilities. Using artificial intelligence, you can offer photo editing services that not only save you time, but also present an opportunity to earn a handsome income. From $15 to $150 per hour, that's a wide range indeed. AI can handle a variety of tasks, such as removing backgrounds, adjusting lighting and color balance, and even adding artistic effects. And you know what's the best part? It requires less manual intervention. It's all about clicking a few buttons and letting the technology do the heavy lifting. Moreover, AI can provide more consistency and precision in editing, ensuring every photo meets a high standard of quality. This can be a real game changer for photographers, online retailers, or anyone needing large quantities of images edited quickly and efficiently. So, with AI in your toolkit, you can give any photo a professional touch and make good money out of it. Did you know AI can help you manage social media platforms? It's true. Becoming a social media manager is a lucrative way to use AI to your advantage and potentially earn upwards of $25 per hour. Let's break it down. As a social media manager, your main tasks include scheduling posts, analyzing trends, and managing multiple accounts. With the help of AI, these tasks become a breeze. AI tools can automatically schedule your posts at the optimal times when your target audience is most active, but it doesn't stop there. AI can also analyze trends, giving you a detailed understanding of what content resonates with your audience. This way you can tailor your posts to what your followers want to see. And if you're managing multiple accounts, AI is a lifesaver. It can help you keep track of all your accounts in one place, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time. In short, AI can ease your social media management tasks and help you earn more. How about perfecting podcasts with AI? Now that's an exciting prospect. Picture this. You're offering podcast editing services using cutting-edge AI technology. You're not just editing, you're enhancing, refining, perfecting. The beauty of AI is that it can identify and reduce background noise, balance levels, and even remove awkward pauses, all without you breaking a sweat. And the result? Crystal clear audio that sounds professional, engaging, and is ready to captivate listeners. What's more, AI can make your workflow more efficient, saving you time and allowing you to take on more clients. Now think about the earning potential. With these high-quality services, you could be charging anywhere from $35 to $195 per hour. We're talking about a significant income stream, all from leveraging the power of AI to perfect podcasts. So why not jump on this opportunity? With AI, you can deliver high-quality podcasts and charge a premium for your services. Ever dreamed of making money on YouTube? Let's explore how you can become a YouTube video editor and potentially earn between $32 to $57 per hour. In a world where video content is king, YouTube video editing is a skill in high demand. With the advent of artificial intelligence, this task has become significantly more accessible and efficient. AI can help you edit and enhance video content, allowing you to produce professional-grade videos with ease. Imagine this. You're working with raw footage and you need to create a compelling narrative. With AI, you can automate much of the editing process, from cutting and sequencing to adding effects and transitions. The result? High-quality videos that keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. But it's not just about creating great content. As a YouTube video editor, you're also shaping the viewer's experience, telling a story, and helping to build a brand. By leveraging AI, you can create stunning YouTube videos and get paid handsomely for your skills. What about owning a YouTube channel? Now that's a question that opens up a world of possibilities. Let's dive into how you can use artificial intelligence to create and monetize your own YouTube channel. Imagine having a channel that could potentially earn you up to $15,000 per month. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with the help of AI, it's entirely possible. First off, let's talk about content creation. Sure, you could come up with ideas off the top of your head, but AI can help you take it to the next level. AI tools can analyze trends, popular topics, and even audience engagement to help you craft content that your viewers will love. It's like having your own personal creative assistant. But creating content is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need to edit your videos. This is where AI comes to the rescue again. AI-powered video editing tools can make your videos look professional with minimal effort on your part. These tools can handle everything from color grading to audio balancing, freeing you up to focus on what matters: creating engaging content. Finally, let's talk about trend analysis. This is crucial for understanding what's hot on YouTube right now. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, giving you insights into what people are watching when they're watching, and even how they're reacting to different types of content. With this information, you can tailor your videos to what's trending, potentially boosting your views, subscribers, and ultimately, your income. So there you have it. Creating and monetizing a YouTube channel isn't just about having great content or editing skills. With the help of AI, you can stay ahead of trends, create engaging videos, and turn your channel into a revenue-generating machine. With a YouTube channel powered by AI, you can reach millions and make a substantial income. And who knows, you might just become the next big thing on YouTube. So there you have it. Some of the most effective ways to make money online using AI, from becoming a user-generated content creator with AI-edited videos, offering photo editing services, stepping into the role of a social media manager, or providing podcast editing services. The opportunities are endless. You could even become a YouTube video editor or create and monetize your own YouTube channel. The potential earnings range from $15 to a staggering $15,000 per month. The world of AI has unlocked a vast array of online money-making opportunities. Imagine what you could achieve with the right tools and the power of AI at your disposal. It's time to step into the future and leverage these innovative technologies to your advantage. Now it's your turn to harness the power of AI and make money online. Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and online money making.